Hello everyone, this is Giselle from Enchanted, and I got 2 movies. So this is the Sesame Street Big Bird Saints. So this is a big bird, and this is a spine right here. Big Bird Saints, and in the back with yellow and with Snuffy and Big Bird. And also, the Moana. This is her name, Moana. This is the Maui, and this is Moana, and this is a hey. And this is a spine, and look in the back, in the Moana and Maui in the ocean, and they're saying how far I'll go. So I like the movie Sesame Street, Big Bird Saints, and Moana. Hope I get 2 stars today.